Hi everyone. In this session we will be learning what are unsaturated hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons containing either a carbon-carbon double bond or a carbon-carbon triple bond in their molecules. So these are known as unsaturated hydrocarbons. It means that carbon-carbon having double bond and carbon-carbon having triple bond in the molecule. These hydrocarbons are known as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Taking examples as ethene, where ethene has two carbons and it has double bond, and we have to fill the hydrogen according to the carbon valency. This carbon has two already bonds, 1, 2, 3, and two bonds I have to accommodate so that carbon has the 4 valency, and here also the same. I will show the electron dot structure depicting the ethane molecule. Here the two electrons are combined together, the other is combined with hydrogen, thereby forming of double bond, also known as alkene. The next example I will be taking is ethine, where here also we have two carbons where only 3 bonds are present, that is triple bond, and the hydrogen to be accommodated to fulfill the carbon of carbon valency. So here I will be showing the electron dot structure. Here 3 electrons of carbon, and here is the hydrogen, 1 hydrogen. These 3 forms a bond and this one forms the bond. So this happens. This whole is known as unsaturated hydrocarbons, and this type of triple bond is known as alkyne.